Welcome to the channel. Let's look at Talga. I did another video on Novonix. If you like, you can go to my channel and have a look. Because Novonix and Talga, I have seen follow more or less same patterns. Like when Novonix has a gain, Talga more or less seems to uh, follow it. So last week it was a good week for Novonix. So let's have a look what it looks for Talga now, because Talga didn't have a big move yet. It has done a big move here. If you follow them, this is Novonix and Talga, both related to this electric car theme, one of those stocks. Last week, a lot of lithium stocks had a good run, including Novonix, but Talga didn't move much last week. So Talga's turn may be coming this week. So that's what we'll have a look. So if you have done, like if you bought it somewhere here, it had a very good run, then came down. So if you go here, I'll put it daily chart because we don't have much data, much levels to show. So if you look daily, see from here this top, it has come down here. So this price area has acted as a support area twice, then tried to go up, came down, went up, sort of came down. Then there's another level here which is acting as support slightly. So that's $4.10, $4.20 area. Then this is another area acting as a support. So what this stock has done last few weeks is like going sideways. If you see here, it more or less didn't go anywhere, just going sideways, accumulating. Then if you think from say here July to August up to now, again accumulating here, and last two, this daily chart. So Thursday and Friday, you can see it has jumped up to the gapped up and move above, like close above this previous support line, and the volume has increased as well. So what I feel is this, because I have seen in the past, like once Novonix started going, Talga sort of follow after a few weeks. So again, both Novonix and these are still risky sort of stocks. You may go up, you may not go up. If you go up, they will give you very good return, and if when they crash also, they sort of crash very quickly, not like a top 50 sort of a stock. It's very what you call very volatile sort of. It goes up quick, come down quick, that sort of a stock. So how I like to play with Novonix is assuming this will follow Novonix like before. So now since Talga is entered above this support level, I would like to purchase it now, and I would put a stop loss somewhere here, $4 $1.40, that sort of mark, just in case if it comes down the support area, so you protect your losses, like you don't want to go it further down. Or let's measure, if you are a person who like to take more risk for a more reward, you can put a stop loss here, $1.25 mark. If you like to take more sort of a gamble, because then it will give you the opportunity, if it comes sort of somewhere further here then start going up, you will not trigger your stop loss. because if you put a tight stop loss, like I said before, $1.40 or close to here, once it comes down bit, you will trigger that stop loss. So if you are willing to take a bit of a gamble, because this area has acted a very good support area for this stock for a last from July, sort of August, that period. So I expect that area will be a strong support area. So if you want, you can buy it somewhere here. Sorry, buy, then put the stop loss just past here, $1.20, let's say 25. So then it will give the stock to room for, if it comes down, it will allow the stocks to go back up as well without triggering your stop loss. At this stage, yeah, like I said, it is has gone up the support area, and it may be getting ready for the next leg up. And yeah, like I mentioned, there are two ways you can play this. Either you buy it now, put a tight stop loss around here, $1.40, or if you are willing to take more risk, more loss, put a stop loss around $1.20, sorry, $1.25, that mark, and see how it goes. It's like, look at that video I did for Novonix. Yeah, I have a strong feeling this will follow the same sort of trajectory, because I have seen it in the past. They do follow the same sort of trajectory, and I have done this what do you call, fib extension, trend based fib extension, just to see. I put it low here to the top, then brought it back down to the other low we can see, and sort of to get some price targets what we are looking. So if it goes to somewhere here, sort of it's $2 like 10, 50, 11, 12, that mark, and there's another price target $2.35, then it can go up to, let's say, $3, another price target. Still, it's a bit early to say this, what price target it may go up, like short term, because it has to first get through this resistance area first, then this area and this area. So yeah, it's at this stage it looks, I can't say it looks very great, but it's looking like it is trying to go up. Volume has picked up. This is Thursday volume and this is Friday volume, get in there. I have a feeling once Novonix run 1 or 2 days bit more, then the who may have took the profit from Novonix will come and push this along to the higher levels. Let's keep an eye. Like I explained, if you are willing, you can play it two ways. Buy it now, put a tight stop loss, or buy it now and put a stop loss around here if you are willing to take more risk, or more, you are happy to take more loss for more reward. That's all for Talga. Let's keep an eye, see how this plays out next week and week after. I personally think long term this will be a good stock, because it's related to this EV, electric vehicle team, and my understanding is they are mining those places located to the Europe where all this battery manufacturing happening. So long term it may be a good stock, um, like in 10 years time, but short term also I feel it is getting ready for a leg up. Let's keep an eye.